Hey doing guys, Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, Insta360 has brought us something new. And I'm not talking about the One RS that was released earlier this month. People have been asking since the original debut of the One R, when can Insta360 make a lightweight version? And so enter the Insta360 Cube. This is exactly what action camera users have been waiting for, a lightweight, water-resistant, and shock-resistant action camera. And yes, Insta360 tried to answer the call with the Go 2, but this was only capable of shooting in 2K resolution. This new 4K camera looks as if it has two bases, one battery and one to be powered from an external battery. News of this new Insta360 camera comes upon the release of the new GoPro Hero 10 Bones. These two new cameras share a lot of similarities. Both companies don't have to go into extensive R&D to develop this new technology. And though the new Bones camera is not the new Session because it lacks waterproofing and impact resistance, the new Insta360 Cube looks as if it could fill that gap. Action camera users and FPV pilots have been waiting a long time for a lighter action camera, since action cameras were following a trend of heavier and bulkier until DJI came out with their Action 2. This was a good attempt by DJI, but it lacked certain characteristics needed for an action camera. It would overheat, and a lot of consumers would complain about durability issues. But with all of that, it was still a great option for a lightweight action camera. But if you wanted to solve these issues, you had to slap on one of these heavy impact-resistant cages, which takes away your lightweight feature. So the new Insta360 Cube could really solve all of these issues. With all these great lightweight FPV-specific action cameras coming to the market this summer, it's going to be a great time. Stay tuned for more updates on the Cube. I'm sure we're all going to be very excited. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.